talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Pocket Option app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You click here on profile. You come to Nextpeer, then all you have to do, just click here on profile here. So when you click on profile, it's going to take you to Nextpeer, then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you come here to subscribe to company's trading analytics, clicking this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that means subscribe to company's trading analytics, enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.